Okay, so all the ingredients are in the pan, and we're going to bake this. See how it turns out. It has creamy mushroom soup, chicken broth, crushed Ritz cracker crumbs, celery, chicken breasts, cheddar cheese. I think that's everything. I'll put everything in the description box, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like before it fully cooks down. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the oven. Kind of reminds me of like stuffing casserole in a way, because of how the Ritz crackers mixed with the egg to kind of make a sort of dough. I will scoop this out so you can see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like when you scoop it out. Hopefully you can see pretty well. MashaAllah. So the flavor is nice and creamy and rich. The cheese is a nice touch. I cooked the chicken ahead of time and then chopped it up and put it in, because that's what the recipe said to do. I do recommend it. Very unique. You can also just try using the same recipe but with sourdough bread instead of the Ritz cracker breadcrumbs. But whenever I try a very niche vintage recipe, I like to follow it, explore different culinary traditions, and this Methodist chicken was quite unique, I must say. Hope you enjoyed it as well, and I used chicken breast, by the way.